What are simultaneous equations? What are they used for, you might ask? Many problems in life can be represented using equations. For example, 5 plates, 2 bowls costing $53, or 3 plates and 8 bowls costing $93. The cost of the plates and bowls can be determined using simultaneous equations. We'd use two linear equations like these to solve for x and y. That is, we're going to find the values for x and y that satisfy both of these equations. There's more than one way we can solve simultaneous equations. In this video, we're going to look at the graphical method and using technology, such as the graphics calculator. Over the next couple of videos, we're going to explore further solving by substitution and solving by elimination. To solve simultaneous equations, you need to have the same number of equations as you do unknowns. We'll consider cases where we have 2 equations and 2 unknowns in this video. One of the simplest methods for solving simultaneous equations is the graphical method. This method for solving is as simple as graphing the equations on the same set of axes and determining the point of intersection. That's your solution. This can be done manually with the graphics calculator or with any number of online graphing tools. Let's look at an example. Solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. We have y equals 3x take 1 and x plus y equals 3. We draw the graphs on the same set of axes and determine the point of intersection. In this example, the point of intersection is x equals 1, y equals 2. And that's the solution. You can check the solution by substituting back into the original equation. It may be difficult to find a solution with the hand-drawn graph if the answers are not integers. In this situation, we use technology to graph the equations or use an equation solver. You might also like to use the graphics calculator or a website like desmos.com. There are a number of different types of graphics calculators, but they all have similar functionality. Enter into the graphing function on the menu and enter the equations you want to solve. In this example, you'll notice the second equation is in the general form. We need to rearrange the equation to get it into the gradient intercept form to enter into the calculator. Once you've entered in your equations, on the Casio, for example, you hit Shift, G solve, intersect, and then you'll solve the equations. In this example, x equals 3.6, y equals 3.8. That might be difficult to find on a hand-drawn graph. Another way to solve simultaneous equations is with the equation solver on your graphics calculator. Enter the equation solver from your menu, go to simultaneous, enter the number of unknowns. You'll get a screen like this. To use this function on the calculator, not like the last example, the equations need to be in the general form. That is, ax plus by equals c. You enter the coefficients in of x and y and then the answer. And you can see I've done that here. Into A column, we have 2 and then 3. Into the B column, I've got the coefficients of the y, which is -3 and 2. And then to the C column, we've got the answers of 4 and 19. And you hit solve, and you get the answer x equals 5, y equals 2. Use technology to solve the following simultaneous equations. Here we have y equals 3x take 7, y equals 11 take 2x. I've used an online graphing tool to show you how to find the solution of these simultaneous equations. Thank you.